Bebe mbyurwa mu Jane Alisemera babiha oli komishona w'akakiiko k'ebyoburuuru mu kigombe kya NRM abembezi b'ekigombe barunzira karuru okwo bahirwe bendera y'ekigombe kya NRM omu karuru k'okugarukamu okutwara na chairman wa district ya Kikube Paddy Kisembo omugombora ya Kyangwari na Kaboya okwo abatura bashabire ngo abajuna barukora mu byendangamuntu abanira abarukushabe emitwaro 3 okutunga endangamuntu
omuntu yange bagisoma nyaye buli ibara nyabagamba mu bintu bagamba agenda kuli kubanza kugenda mu computer nyagenda mu computer ngateekayo kyamaiso kiyonka bagimpa kiyonka kugenda gimpa ukagwanza bangamba 15 nyabo 15 bagimpa nyata
sent mutwaro 15 batoke 15 batugamba tutabaza.
With the Chikube, we don't have the NIRA office. We still run NIRA office under Hoima, the mother district. So that's also another concern that we need to have this office sitting in the Chikube where we shall be having full control over the office.
Jane Alisemera babiha komishona w'akakiiko k'ebyoburuuru mu kigombe kya NRM ayokera okukwatwaho abokushanga ngo abantu batari kutunga buheereza kandi bushemerire kubo bwabusha.
NIRA officials ba NIRA bangambire nti babayiha mitwale 3 kandi identity card zikyaliyo bangire kuzitabara habo kuba hati bayine sente mitwale 3 buli identity card. So nagamba nti ngenda kugambira RDC ningambira polisi kandi ngenda kutera na NIRA headquarters so that baije batujune kizibu kinu before 28th. And also hona mu Uganda where they are doing this ntugamba NIRA making sure ebitairemu security nuko abantu batunda identity cards.
Bitutwagamba n'orukurra ebyokugaba endangamuntu mu district ya Kikube Huzaifa Alnaitwe yayihakana ebirikugambwa.
I can't be sure it's not happening, but what I'm sure of that we're not doing issuance now. So those are allegations, clients, things it's free of charge, so that it's known by everyone, free of charge. Yeah, whoever does it may be willingly, someone can do it willingly, then the other one sees someone saying some money willingly. Someone thinks that they're charging. So it's not bad, someone like you issue an ID, then someone willingly gives it a 5K or 10K, whatever amount, willingly, but it's not a must that whoever doesn't have, you're not getting a card. It is something for free of charge. Registration free, issuance is free. The only thing we pay for is this change of particulars for people who are changing, but then they pay it stable in the bank.
Okutwala na chairman wa district ya Kikube nukuza kuba hebiri 18 by'okwezi kwa mukago mwaka ogu kandi abesimbire ne Paddy Kisembo wa NRM hamwe ne Fenecast Manyere w'ekigombe kya National Unity Platform. Gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.